where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
No jury decision can bring back these lives.
Have you ever been afraid to go get a cup of coffee? Last Friday, it was a nice day just like this, and I live close to downtown. And I thought, oh my gosh, it'd be really great to start out my day with a cup of coffee.
Brother, sister of a black or brown child, raise your hand. If you ever mentored, cared for a black child, raise your hand. No.
Faculty and staff members named Lauren, actually Dr. Lauren Gwynn, good friend. Her thoughts. When I heard the verdict read out in real time, my whole body shook. I cried, feeling the power and relief of real justice. Finally,